Haluski. Who knows what haluski means? Haluski is cabbage and noodles. However, traditional haluski uses a potato flour dumpling kind of thing, a giant grater with giant holes, and you drop the potato flour mixture into some boiling water and end up with sort of like potato droppings. That's not what we're doing. I don't have a giant potato flour grater. I have never had cabbage and noodles. Sounds really simple. And we'll be using our Visions cookware. And probably cook the noodles in stainless steel because it's faster. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Okay, so the question is, why didn't I put the bacon in while I was cooking it? And I'll tell you why. I didn't add bacon because I'm going to be freezing leftovers without the noodles so that I can thaw it out and put it over rice, maybe with soy sauce. Gives me some options. Maybe I won't want to have bacon in my leftovers. God, I love bacon. Bacon is good on anything. Let's take another piece. Yeah, you gotta have the bacon. But I'll bet you this over rice with some soy sauce will taste delicious. If you're not going to do what I did, add some bacon in while you're simmering the cabbage down, but make sure you keep some crunchy bacon on the side. That way you get the texture, because the crunchy of the bacon is really good. Okay, so here you see I have leftovers with noodles. That's a nice serving. And I have 2 small servings without noodles that I can freeze and put over rice. And maybe season it as I want. Soy sauce, mustard, linseed oil. Thanks for watching!